Today is October 11th. We're showing the what Xiaofeng did, to the top for the basically to move two pieces of this type of gutter to the top, then raise the center joint slightly up to create the sloping on both sides, so the liquid can flow to both sides of the door, and then we put the pipe in the we're gonna put the pipe underneath that place, in that space. So use that pipe as both channel for the air inlet, into the chamber, into the greenhouse, and also for the under pressure fan for the cavity. So we're gonna do that. So this way, just one hole. To our eyes, there's only one hole. Actually, there's two passages, two paths. So we use one pipe to solve the both problem. Basically, we have a pipe in pipe mechanism. So here's a better view of the gutter on top of the doorway. As you can see, Xiaofeng already considered, where the slope will be. Just raise the center actually pipe slightly, up, and then the two cut out, just to make it slightly lower. Then we have the slope. As you can see, we have the slope. Good. And then we have the pipe, big pipe. Right now, that's a temporary putting there, but will be above the gutter, but underneath the horizontal pipe. So, and that's where the passage of air. We're gonna use two fans. There's a pipe in pipe. So one for the inner pipe, one for the outer pipe. And the outer pipe most likely will be for the a fan drawing air out of the cavity. And then the inner fan is just simply blowing fresh air into the greenhouse. And to make the greenhouse slightly pressure, but the cavity is slightly under pressure. Okay, this is the pipe in pipe. We haven't got the inner pipe yet, but this is the idea. This is the pipe in pipe mechanism. Inner pipe to bring air, fresh air from outside to the greenhouse to slightly pressurize the greenhouse, and the outer, the cavity, there's a cavity between the inner and the outer pipes. That's where we're going to use another fan. The other fan will be in the T section. That's simply draw air from the cavity and then push it out, so to under pressure the cavity. That's the whole pattern. This is what we plan to do. Okay, we'll see how it works. Now I'd like to quickly show a special Y filter, just for the return liquid. There's a chance that the liquid could bring some some particles, solid stuff, so we have this Y filter. Basically, the liquid going. There's an arrow here. There's an arrow. The liquid will go this way, but there's a filter. This is stainless steel filter. Basically, it's a cylinder. And then the liquid has to, once this is inside, the liquid has to go in here around it through the filter and coming out. to this way. So that way any particles will be captured here. So, and then once a while we can check, and then we simply open up here and then take out the filter and then rinse it out, and that's will do the job. So this is a nice idea, so I'd like to share it. Yeah, just to make sure there's no particles, no solid in the liquid. So then the soap liquid, when it's pumped to the bubble generator, then nothing will block the spray nozzle. Yeah, that's the idea.